In this video, we're going to learn one of the three ways of multiplying polynomials. Today we're going to talk about long multiplication. With long multiplication, you can work it out very similar to how you would work out multiplication with regular numbers. So the first thing that you would do is you would take your first binomial here and write it on the top. Then you can take your second binomial here and write it just underneath it, making sure that everything lines up. Your constants line up, your x terms line up. To multiply polynomials, what you have to do is you have to start with this bottom right number, sign in everything and multiply it by the one above it. So negative 7 times 4. And feel free if you need to use your calculator, it's okay. So you just go negative 7 times 4. Okay, you're not going to carry here, so you're just going to write negative 28 underneath here. Okay, so now we've multiplied by the 4. So now you're going to go negative 7 times 2x. Negative 7 times 2 is negative 14, and the x is going to carry down. Now we are done with the negative 7. Now you have an option here. You can either put a placeholder underneath, or you can put an x through this. You can block it out, but we're not going to use this space here, so I'm just going to put plus 0 as a placeholder. Now we're going to multiply the 3x through. So start again with this right hand side, 3x times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry down the x, and since it's positive we're going to put plus 12. Now we're not done with the 3 yet. You have to multiply it by the 2x above it, just like you did the 7. So 3 times 2 is 6. X and x makes x to the second power. And now we're done. We've multiplied the 3x through. Now just like a normal multiplication problem, you just have to add down the columns. Again, there's no carrying, so you just have to combine like terms. The nice thing about long multiplication is that all of the terms will line up with each other. So negative 28 plus 0 is negative 28. Negative 14 plus 12. Again, if you need to use your calculator, go ahead. Negative 14 plus, whoops, make sure we type it right. Negative 14, can't seem to get that 4, plus 12 equals negative 2. So you write minus 2, bring down the x. This does not become x squared when you're adding. The 6x squared just carries down, and that is how you multiply using long multiplication. I'll go ahead and have a second video if you need to see it. If not, you can replay this one or go ahead and try some practice problems.